What's going on, guys? Using a different camera because my phone battery died and I don't even want to wait to have it charged. So anyways, this is an order from Apmex, a relatively lightweight order, but a good one in my opinion. Now, let me just get into this here. Okay, 1 second. Okay, at least I know it was secure. Now I have to struggle with this. Yeah, okay, maybe not really. But in this envelope, I really wish I had a good tripod. Don't ever get this. These tripods, they're terrible. Well, okay, for heavy cameras, this is a pretty heavy camera. It's off balance. If it was on balance, it'd be good. Pin it down with my elbow. I apologize. I wasn't expecting it to be this difficult. Goodness. Oh, that's Apmex for you, I guess. Alright, let's just dump it out. Notice the beautiful wood finish. There she is. Yeah, you already know what that is. Sure, go right into the other slot. Yep, this is going well. My goodness. Okay. There it is. Using mostly natural light as my background, but wow. Yeah, interesting lights on the camera make it shine beautifully. Anyways, this is a 1/4 ounce gold lunar snake, purchased for about, on Apmex's eBay store, about $375, something like that. This was at the same time when the 1/4 ounce Eagles and Year of the Horse coins and Philharmonics and everything else that was 1/4 ounce. They were around 400, but the Year of the Snake is cheap. I think it might still be that way. I think all of them are like that right now. The Year of the Snake coin. So if you're looking for some cheap gold, you can get Perth Mint gold right now on Apmex's eBay store. At least it was. I checked yesterday, which was the 9th. And yeah, see how close I can get in there. Okay, maybe not that close. But yes, gold, baby. I travel now just to get that gold. I apologize for that. I blame the gold. Just gold. My first gold coin. I keep flipping it the wrong way. Beauty. Beauty. Look at those deets. Anyways, glad to share this unboxing with you. Man, it's pretty thick. It's a good little chunk. I wish I had a coin to compare it to, but it's about the size of a US nickel, I'd say. Just from looking at it. Maybe a little bit smaller. But yeah, gold, baby. My first gold coin I ever ordered. And it's a good one, too. And hopefully there'll be more on the way. Alrighty, you guys. Setting change. Just using some sunlight here to shine on the coin. Here it is in comparison to a nickel, specifically a war nickel that I found in circulation, actually. Okay, I set it on top there. You can see it's definitely thicker than the nickel, but zoom in a little bit. Look at those details. There's the P for the Perth Mint. Yeah, pretty coin. Flip it over if I can. There. It's actually got some chunk to it, some weight. Yeah, that's something there. But yeah, gold, baby. $25 face value Australian currency. So maybe I can go buy some groceries with this. in Australia. Okay. That's it for now. Catch you guys whenever I get my next box. Peace.